Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo notices the weather suddenly changing as dark clouds gather. Rain begins to fall, making the trail slippery. He realizes he must adjust his plans quickly. A new word becomes important: adapt. Adapt means to change in order to fit new conditions. Timo finds shelter under a large tree. He carefully chooses firmer ground and steps on rocks to avoid slipping. He slows his pace to move safely through the wet trail. He continues his journey despite the rain. Timo remembers that to adapt means to adjust to changes, and flexibility helps him handle challenges on his journeys ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.